We have three ways to implement CSS. One way we call inline, and with inline the code is placed within the HTML code, and we use that to define a single element on a page, and because of that it's more specific than other methods, so it's not as useful. Embedded code, embedded CSS, gets placed within the head tag. It controls elements just on one page. So that's a little bit more general than inline, but the most general method is external CSS. So in this method, all of the styles are placed into an external CSS file, a separate CSS file, also called a style sheet, and multiple pages link to the same style sheet. And because of that, if you want to change the way your whole site looks, you can just change one CSS file and upload it. Here's an example of some inline CSS code. So notice you've got your usual H1 tag, and then here we have the style rule that specifies the font face and the color for this one H1 tag. And here we have embedded CSS code example. So with embedded CSS code, you take that style and then you put it within a style tag that goes into the head. It gets embedded within the head tag of the page. So because of that, this applies to every single H1 that would be on this page. For an external CSS, here's an example. The H1 part would look the same in the style sheet, but you don't need the beginning and ending style tags. And then what you do is within the HTML page, you just link to that style sheet with a statement that looks something like this. Now Dreamweaver is going to automate all of this for us, so we don't have to type this in. But basically what this statement says is go ahead and apply these styles, all of the styles that are in this separate document, go ahead and apply them to this page. So what we can do is we can have this kind of link in multiple pages. So let's say that you have 1,000 pages in your website. All of them can link to this one page, and so again when we make a change to this one page, it'll change it site-wide.